Everyone gets this wrong about Claude Design. It doesn't matter if you're paying $20 a month or $200 on the AI Max plan. You can still hit a wall mid-project because Claude Design's usage limits are separate from Claude Chat or Claude Code. In the next 2 minutes, I'll share pro tips for how to avoid going over your usage limits. These tricks will save you days of usage every week, so buckle up. Oh, if we haven't met yet, I'm Tam, CEO of VectorPath AI. We help mid-sized businesses identify where AI can increase revenue, then we build those solutions and train their teams. I'm on a mission to help business owners succeed with AI by offering dozens of free resources and training events, both in person and online. Here's how to use Claude Design like the pros. But first, what is Claude Design? It's a new AI design tool for creating polished visuals like landing pages, presentations, one-liners, marketing materials, and more. The problem is, most people don't realize how quickly you can run out of design credits. That's because Claude Design has its own metered usage limits that are separate from Claude Chat or Claude Code. As a YouTuber and full-time AI entrepreneur, I burn through Claude limits for a living. So I've learned these tricks the expensive way. Here's the single biggest thing that you need to know. Every time you send a prompt to Claude Design, it costs you usage. But the manual edit controls, almost free. Click the text and change it yourself. Drag the corner to resize. Tweak the color with the slider. Most of those edits don't trigger a new AI generation, so they barely touch your weekly limit. But if you run the same changes through the prompt box, Claude pulls usage from your weekly allotment. So stop asking Claude to make the heading blue. Just click and change it. Here are some other things you need to know before using Claude Design. You access Claude Design through the browser, not the desktop app. To get started, you need a paid plan in order to use it, but that can be the $20 a month plan. Your usage limits reset weekly, meaning each week you get more bandwidth. If you run out of usage prematurely, you can always buy extra to bridge the gap until it resets. But hopefully these tips will help you avoid that. My goal in this video is to make sure that you don't have to spend extra money. If you want to see your usage in real time, you can go to Settings, then Usage. Okay, 3 more tricks. Number 1, never brainstorm in Claude Design. Coming up with brand ideas, color palettes, names, all of that eats away at your design usage. And you haven't even built anything yet. Do your brainstorming in the regular Claude Chat first. Then bring the final ideas into Claude Design by asking Chat to turn your idea summary into a markdown file, and then you import that markdown file into Claude Design and let it do the actual building. Number 2, switch models for tweaks. When you first create a design, use Opus 4.7, which is Claude's most powerful AI model. It's also the model that will burn through the most tokens. So it's worth using for the initial build, but once your design is created, switch to Sonnet and run the tweaks and modifications through that model. It's cheaper, faster, same result for small changes. Tip number 3, use the sketch feature to first sketch out how you want Claude to create your design. If I'm creating a landing page for a new product or service, for example, I can sketch out where each section should go so that Claude doesn't need to use compute power guessing where to put things. So here's where we land. The mouse beats the prompt. Manual edits mean you save big on usage compared to prompt changes when you're in Claude Design. Brainstorm in Claude Chat, not Claude Design. Use Opus for the initial build, then Sonnet for tweaks and iteration. And use the sketch feature to guide the AI on formatting and layout. If you do this, then even on the cheapest paid plan, you'll get more out of Claude Design than 99% of users. Quick truth bomb before we keep going. I used to spend 8 hours editing one video. That's a full workday gone for one upload. If you're a creator or running a business, that math doesn't work. And it's why I wanted to add this tool plug into some of my videos. Not because the team at Story paid me for this mention. They didn't. But because it took me months to find a talented editing service that didn't break the bank. Hopefully, I'm saving you the work of trialing unreliable editors. Use Story instead. I've included my affiliate link in the description, but you can also just go to story.com. Story is spelled with 2 Ys. Just give it a try. They're not a software. They're a real human editing team built for creators. I send them my raw footage and they send back a fully edited video, complete with visual hooks, B-roll, sound design, captions, all of it. And it actually sounds like me because they edit for story, not just cuts. If you want more undocumented AI tricks like this, the kind that put you 6 months ahead of competitors, hit subscribe. It's free and it motivates me to keep creating for you.